Hello and welcome, or welcome back. My name's Rain, this is my craft video, and today things are getting hot. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we'll be making a lava coaster, which you can obviously make several of these to have around your home. The inspiration for this actually came from my nephew Bug. Shout out to Bug if you're listening. He requested I make him some lava stands for his action figures, so this is how we got into it. The material I used to start with was just some cork coasters, a cork sheet, which I'm cutting here, and some Mod Podge glue. I just cut out a shape in the cork sheet, so I had a rough approximate shape of the coaster. I've kept the corners of the cork sheet rounded so it matches up with the coaster, but the parts where I wanted the lava flow, I just tore it along the edge and stuck it down with glue. I'm just starting to paint the lava tracks here white. I will shortly realise that I've probably made a little bit of a mistake, but we'll see that in a second. So that's the centre of the lava painted white and the outer black rocks painted black. I'm not quite sure what those lava rocks are called. If anyone knows, let me know. And it's about now that I realise actually this lava coaster doesn't have enough lava in it. So I've just taken a craft knife, and here you can see me cutting out more channels to create more lava flows and give it an island as well. I felt that it needed a little bit of a black island in there somewhere in the middle. As you can see, it's not too much trouble taking this off once you've stuck it down with some glue, just being careful, and I used a pair of tweezers along with the craft knife. There we have it, the lava rivers painted white and the lava rocks painted black. Now time for the fire. So to build the lava rivers, I started with a darker red on the furthest outside parts of them, and then worked my way up into a lighter red. Here you can see the red layer of the lava is done, and we're going to move on to a lighter orange. We're just going to keep building those colours up, and eventually once we finish with the orange, we'll move on to the yellow and start really highlighting that hot lava underneath. So around about this point in my project, when I realised that something wasn't quite right with the black that I had used, when I went to retouch the black, I thought it looked a little pearlised. Then I realised I was using a pearl black, and that's the reason why. So after I finished with the yellow and the lava, I touched up with some darker, deep Mars black acrylic paint. And then I just went in and highlighted the rest of the lava river with some white touches to really make it pop. Now I used resin to fill my lava river. You can use clear glue, it will work just as well, but resin will give you that little bit of an extra shine and gloss that I was looking for. Use whatever's comfortable for you. If you're used to using resin, brilliant. If not, stick to the glue. After the resin had dried, I flipped the coaster over and painted the underside. And we're almost at the end of this project. The one final thing left to do is I added some matte glue onto the front, PVA, just to make sure that it sealed all the coaster and was ready to use. And there you have it. My nephew wanted a lava coaster. For his action figures, my craft gremlins were more than happy to oblige. Thank you for making it to the end. I've been Rain, you've been fabulous, and I hope to catch you again next week. Goodbye.